Hey guys, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and I want to take a minute to say thank you to everybody who has pretty much been there with me from the beginning, even, back when my videos, well, some would say they probably still suck, but back when they really sucked. And, I've been contemplating a lot lately about the future for Outlaw Speed Shop. And things are kind of stale. I've been a little bit out of it as far as trying to come up with new ideas. It gets to me. I'm bored with it just watching my hands in a car, and it's hard to learn to do new things. And a lot of you have been there from the beginning and have stuck with me, and I appreciate it dearly. We don't make a lot of money doing this. We do it because we enjoy doing it. If I think I'm at almost, I'm bordering on 15,000 subscribers. On a good month, I might do 150 bucks, maybe. Kind of pays for the supplies, the paint and the wheels and all the doodads and, crap that we use to do this. So you don't do it for the money, you do it because you enjoy it. However, the money does help, of course. It makes it a little bit more bearable. And, the biggest thing for me has been the relationships that I've developed with people over these last almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years in December. And it's the community for the diecast, and I'm sure it's like this in all niches, but I've just met some really great people, people that I'm proud to call my friends. Some of you watching this are actually friends with me on Facebook. I don't know why, but it is what it is. But I'm just truly blessed to have met so many people from all around the world, and that really makes me happy to meet new people and to share a common experience, or a common love for cars, whether it be full scale or die cast, whatever they may be. And most of the people I'm friends with are big fans of big cars as well. So, to me, that's been something that I've been really happy with. I think it's a really good thing when you can do something as silly as a video and you can meet new people. I suppose that works that way in porn too, but that's is what it is. But the people in the stories that I hear about, or I get letters in the mail, or I get packages from mainly like grandparents that work with their kids, or fathers that work with their kids, that picked up this hobby because they watched somebody putting together a die-cast car. Veterans that are trying to fight PTSD, and this one's near and dear to my heart, that just need to be able to focus and concentrate on something for even short spurts of 20 minutes a day or an hour a day. That really hits home for me. And the days that I look at what I'm doing and I'm like, why am I even doing this? It really makes it worthwhile, because if I can touch one person with a inspiration or a way to get out of whatever rut they're in, to me it makes it all worthwhile. And so the whole point of this video, I guess, is to say I'm not going anywhere. I am going to be revamping things. I'm changing things up. One of them being is for about 6 months I've had, or maybe 8 months, I've had a Patreon page. I don't use it the way I should use it, and everybody who's contributed, I greatly appreciate it. It's a little extra boost that helps, but I'm canceling it for many reasons. One, I don't have the 90% of what I do is on video. In Patreon, if I want to do a video, I got to do it on YouTube, and then I got to keep it unlisted so I can share it. and I'm not much for pictures and crap like that, so it makes it hard. Video is my preferred medium, and Patreon just really isn't video friendly. Like I said, I can do it, but then I gotta upload it to either Vimeo or YouTube, and then I gotta share it, and it's just an extra step, and it's a pain in the ass. So I'm dumping that. However, what I am doing is I've recently qualified for YouTube memberships. So I signed up for it, and I'm going to give it a try and see what happens. And I kept it as simple as I possibly can. I have 3 layers or levels of membership that you can sign up for. None of them are more expensive than a single cup of coffee a month. And the money will go to help feed my addiction and get me more cars and parts and stuff like that. So I have 3 levels. The first one being I named these I just kind of made this crap up as I went along. First one's called Rat Rod. And what that does is that pretty much, excuse me. I had to take notes because I'm horrible and I have a shit memory. So excuse the paper. So what Rat Rod will do on that level, it's 99 cents a month. You know, you can't feed a kid in Africa for that. You get early access to every video I upload. So if I upload a video today and schedule it for next week, you'll have access to it. The second level is called the Street Machine level. That's $2.99 a month. So that's less than a cup of coffee. It all depends where you go. So yeah, you get the early access to all the videos, but you'll get a lot of times when I do these videos, I have to keep the time constrained to, under 15 minutes, otherwise people lose interest. So I have probably an hour, sometimes an hour and a half's worth of content. And I have to filter it out, edit it, and do all kinds of things to fit. All that content is going to be repackaged, and that'll be available only to, the Street Machine level in the next level as well. So to reiterate, the Rat Rod level is 99 cents. You get early access to all the videos. The Street Machine level is $2.99. You get early access, just like the Rat Rod, plus you get all the extra bonus content that I pretty much don't use, but it's actually pretty decent stuff. At least I like to think so. Then the full-blown custom level, that's $4.99, so that's like maybe a coffee and a half. And that's early access, just like the other two. Get the extra content, just like the Street Machine. And then once a month, I'm going to be doing a members-only live stream. I'm not sure what it's going to be. I guarantee you I will have pants on. I actually had to put some on for this because, but, it could be me working on a car, maybe some Q&As. We can all decide on different things, and we'll be communicating mainly through the community tab. With the members only access, things will be a lot easier there. I'll be able to I get notified right away. I'll be able to do all kinds of stuff that I just can't do through Patreon. So down below, next to the subscribe button, if it's active, you'll see a little join button. On my screen, it's blue. If you click that, it'll list out all 3 levels, and you can just click which one you want. You can cancel at any time, and it would be greatly appreciated. I think going into 2021, let's forget 2020 even exists. I'm hoping to change things up. I'm going to be doing a lot. I'm trying to film things a different way. Still experimenting. I haven't shown anybody yet, but I'm doing that. I did a poll on the community page. I am doing drag racing as well. I'm still setting up my track and cleaning up the shop. And I've got to set up the timers and drill some holes and do some crap. But I'm hoping to be able to do a lot with that. It's not going to be all the time, but it'll be at least once a month. And I'll probably do tournaments and see if I can get some sponsorships and give away prize packages like I do with the custom challenges that I do once in a while. So hopefully that'll work out well as well. But there's a lot of new stuff coming for 2021. The YouTube memberships being one of the bigger ones for me anyways, personally. And I appreciate you guys watching this and being part of this diecast community. And there's so many good channels out there now. The fact that you even take a few minutes to watch mine, when there's so much competition out there, I'm humbled. I don't know what to say sometimes, so. But anyways, thank you guys, and I will catch you on the next one. And that's a cut. I only fucked up a little bit.